Okay, so last period we had seen the posting of the transactions. So today I'm going to do the trial balance of the same question. Means trial balance is another chapter. What do you mean by trial balance means? It is a statement of balances. It is a statement of balances or the total of debit and credit of all the accounts in the ledger prepared to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account. That is the point. To test the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account kept under double entry system. To test that only we are preparing trial balance. So for what purpose we are preparing trial balance means whether our journal or ledger is correct or not. To check, that is arithmetical accuracy. To check the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account, we are preparing trial balance. Clear? So to check whether your ledger or journal is correct or not. So you did the journal, you did the ledger. So whether it is correct or not. To check that, we are preparing trial balance. Let me check. Let us check the which one? The same question. Trial balance. Okay. So it is related to the next chapter only, but to get little idea about, we will do that. The same question, we will do the trial balance. Okay. So already we did ledger. So now we will do the trial balance. Trial balance. Trial balance as such 31st March 2015. April to March. So November 14. So 31st March 2015. Closing date. So column account title LF ledger folio number, page number of ledger, debit credit. Debit credit. Okay, this is the column account title LF debit credit. Okay, so already we did the journal and ledger. Okay, account title LF debit credit. Now we'll check the ledger. First, cash account. So you have to tell whether it is a debit balance or credit balance. Means which side is more. If debit side is more than the credit side means debit balance. If credit side is more than the debit balance means credit balance. So first, annex. First, we prepared a cash account. You look at the ledger. Whether it is a debit balance or credit balance, which side is more? Cash account.
The credit side.
Which side is more? Where we are writing balance CD, that means that is if debit side is more than the credit side means we will write balance CD credit side. So which side is more?
Debit.
Debit. So balance amount how much? Cash account. Balance CD. 49,000. Cash account balance CD 49,500. Okay, so you said debit balance. So first we have to write cash. Cash account, cash. It is debit balance. So you have to write debit side 49,500. 49,500. Okay, cash. Which side is more? Debit side is more. So debit side you have to write balance amount. Next account, Aparna. Next ledger,
Credit balance.
Yeah, yeah. Which account?
Sir, Goel's capital
Yes,
account.
Goel's capital account, credit balance. Correct. So credit side amount will be
65,000.
yes. So Goel's capital. Goel's capital account. If you are writing also no problem. Cash account. Accounts. Goel's capital account. Credit side 1,65,000. 1,65,000. Okay. Cash account. Goel's capital account. Goel's capital account. Next. Next, Anjo, next account. Which account?
Bank account.
Bank account. Bank account. Which balance? Debit balance or credit balance? Which side is more? Debit. So balance amount how much?
80,000 and the 63,000.
Correct. 63,800. So next amount, next account, bank account. Bank account. It is debit balance. So 63,800. 63,800. Next, Karthik, next which account? After
Sir,
bank account.
purchase account.
Purchase account. Debit balance or credit balance?
Sir, debit balance.
Debit balance. So amount, balance amount,
52,000.
balance CD.
50,000.
Yes. Okay, next, purchase account. Purchase account. Purchase account, debit balance 50,000. Okay, purchase account 50,000. Next, Hanna. Next, which account? Hanna. Turn on your video. Sharath, Hadi, Basil, Muhammad Irfan, Pavitra, Shubham Pal. Hanna, next account. So cash account over, bank account over, purchase account, Goel's capital account over. Next account. Next account. Femina. Next account.
Discount account.
Discount account. Debit or credit?
Debit side.
Discount, debit, connection problem. Discount, debit, amount will be
300.
300.
300.
Yes. So, discount allowed. Discount allowed. Discount allowed 300. Debit. Discount allowed 300. Next. Next, Tomlin. Next account. Tomlin.
Next account.
Sales account. Yes. Debit balance or credit balance?
Credit balance.
Yes. Next, sales account. Sales account. Credit balance amount will be 22,000. Amount will be 22,000. Next. Next. Aditya, next which account?
Wages account.
Wages account. Debit balance or credit balance?
Debit balance.
Yes, debit balance. So next, wages account. Wages account 200. Okay, so if both sides are equal means no need to write. Okay, here it is a statement of balances. Wages account 200. Next, wages account. Next, Aparna, next which account?
Account.
Which one? Which one?
Furniture account.
Yes, furniture account. Debit balance or credit balance?
Sir, debit balance.
Yes. Amount will be furniture account. Amount will be 5,000. Amount will be 5,000. So next, after furniture, Anjo. Next one. Which one? After
Commission
furniture.
account.
Which one?
Commission account.
Commission account. Debit balance or credit balance?
Debit.
Which side is more? Commission
Debit.
account. Look.
Oh, credit.
Yes, credit. Okay. So commission account means commission received. Commission received. Commission received account. Credit 1,000. Okay. So cash, Goel's capital, bank, purchase, discount, sales, wages, furniture, commission. Next, next which account, Karthik?
Sir, bank charges account.
Yes, bank charges. Debit balance or credit balance?
Debit balance.
Yes. So next, bank charges. Bank charges account. Debit balance 200. Debit balance 200. Next, Tomlin, next account. After bank charges. After bank charges. Hanna, after bank charges. Hanna. Femira, next account. After bank charges.
Sir, drawings account.
Drawings account. Okay. Yes. Drawings account.
Credit. Credit.
Which side is more? Drawings account. Debit side, no? Debit side is more than the credit side. Okay. So drawings account. Debit balance 6,000. Next. Drawings. Next. Anach. Next account.
Sir, insurance account.
Yes. Debit or credit?
Yes. Debit.
Yes. Debit. So insurance account. Debit side 3,000. Next, Aparna.
account.
Which account?
Rent account.
Rent account. Debit or credit?
Debit balance.
Yes. Rent account, debit balance 3,000. Next, Anjo. Next account,
Salary account.
salary account. Debit balance or credit balance?
Debit.
Okay. Salary account 7,000. Okay. So now we prepared every account: cash account, Goyle's capital, bank account, purchase account, discount account, wages, furniture, drawings, rent, bank charges, insurance, salary, credit, capital, sales, commission. Okay. So you check that both sides should be equal.
Sir, Tara account.
Tara account, both sides are equal. Okay. So it is a statement of balances. Okay. So means Tara account and Naman account, two sides equal. So no need write. Okay. So it is a statement of balances. To check the arithmetical accuracy of books of account, you check that both sides should be equal. So if it is equal means your ledger, your posting, your journal is correct. First, then you tell the answer. Debit total and credit total, both sides should be equal. If it is not equal means some error is there. So credit side with the debit side total, credit side it is easy, 1,65,000 plus 22,000 plus 1,000.
1,88,000.
1,88,000. Debit side also you got
1,88,000.
both side. Okay. So 1,88,000. Okay. So our trial balance and journal are correct. Okay. So any doubts related to journal? Okay. So we have to look which side is more, debit or credit. If debit side is more, you write in the debit side balance amount. If credit side is more means you write in the credit side balance amount. So if two sides are equal means no need to write in the trial balance. Okay. This is a statement of balances which is prepared to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account, whether ledger or journal is correct or not. To check that we are preparing trial balance. Okay. Then we will do the next 19th question. Journal entries in the books of Banu. So we will do 19th question. Okay, we will start. Journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of Okay. First started, so date not given. So one started business with the cash. Shubham Bal. Banu started business with the cash. What is the genre?
So started business with cash.
Question. Entry.
Capital.
Debit or credit? Okay. So now you are not telling the journal entry also. Shubham. Entry will be cash account at Banu's capital account. So entry first you are right. Cash account debtor, cash account debit to Banu's capital account. Banu's capital account being started business. Because 18th question you can do. I'm not giving homework now. So first you will do this one. Cash account to Banu's capital amount will be 92,000. 92,000. Okay. Second one. Second, deposited into bank. Deposited into bank. Annette, what is genre? Deposited into bank.
Bank account added to cash account.
Yes, bank account debit to cash account. Bank account debit to cash account being deposited into bank. Being deposited into bank. Amount will be 60,000. Amount will be 60,000. Next, third one. So we'll do first because already you know the entry. Bought goods on credit from Himani. Bought goods means purchased goods on credit from Himani. Anjo. What is the genre? Bought goods on credit from Himani. Bought goods. Purchased goods on credit from Himani. Karthik, what is the entry?
Purchase account added to Himani account.
Yes, purchase account to Himani account. Purchase account debit to Himani account. Okay, being purchased goods from Himani. Okay, being purchased goods from Himani, 40,000. 40,000. Okay, so 3 entries over. First entry, started business with the cash account to Banu's capital, deposited into bank account to cash. Third one, purchased goods from Himani, purchase account to Himani. Next, sixth, date is 6th. Okay, December date is given now. 6, 12, 14. 6, 12, 14. Six, 12, 14. Purchased goods from cash, for cash only. Purchased goods for cash. Aditya, what is entry? Purchase goods for cash. Purchase account to cash account. Being cash purchase. Being cash purchase. Amount will be 20,000. Amount will be 20,000. Next, H. H. Returned goods to Himani. Returned goods to Himani. So if any returned goods is there, before that you have to look whether purchase or sale related to Himani. Purchased goods. Is it correct? Purchased goods from Himani. So it is which return? Purchase return. It is purchase return. Then you know one thing, purchase debit. So purchase return, credit. Purchase debit, purchase return, credit. So credit, purchase return, debit will be that person. Suppose sales return, sales credit, sales return debit, sales return debit, that person credit. So like that here, returned goods to Himani. Himani is the receiver. So entry will be purchase return credit. So Himani account to Himani account debit to purchase return. Himani account to purchase return. Amount will be 4,000. 4,000. Being purchase return. Being purchase return. Next, 10. Sold goods for cash. Aparna, what is entry? Sold goods for cash.
Account debit to sales account.
Yes, cash account debit to sales account. Cash account to sales account 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. Being cash sale. Being cash sale. Cash account to sales account. Next, check given to 14. Check given to Himani. Check given to Himani. Hadi, what is entry? Check given to Himani. Hadi, check given to Himani. Check given to Himani. Hadi, you try. Check given to Himani, not cash. Cash paid to Himani, that you know. Here, instead of cash, check given to Himani. Hadi, Muhammad Irfan, check given to Himani. Himani account to bank. Himani account to bank account. Himani account to bank account. Amount will be 36,000. 36,000. Being check given to Himani. Next, 17. Goods sold to Goyal traders. Goods sold to Goyal traders. Femina, what is entry? Goods sold to Goyal traders.
Yes, sir. Account to
Goyal traders account debit to sales account. To sales account being credit sale. Being credit sale. amount will be 3,50,000. 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Next, 19. Drew cash from bank for personal use. Drew cash from bank for office use. Irfan, what is the entry? Drew cash from bank for personal use. For personal use.
drawings account
Correct.
debit
Every time Shubham Pali is telling the answer. Muhammad Irfan. Drew cash from bank for personal use.
drawings account debit to cash account.
Drawings account and to not cash. To bank account.
Okay.
From bank only. From bank. Being drawings. There was a power failure. So next entry. So you can write the next entry. So if you want to put Again, there was power failure. Just 1 minute. Okay. So now I will tell the remaining journal. So you can do now only we have 3 minutes. So next, goods sold to Goyal traders over. Next, drew cash from bank for office personal use over. Next, Goyal traders returned goods. Goyal traders returned goods. Goyal traders returned goods. Before that, any Goyal transaction, purchase or sale? Sale. So it is sales return. Sales credit, so sales return debit. So entry will be sales return accounted to Goyal traders. Sales return accounted to Goyal traders. Narration being sales return. Next entry, cash deposited into bank. Already you know what is the entry? Bank accounted to cash account, being cash deposited to bank. Next, check received from Goyal traders. Check received is treated as cash received. So cash accounted to Goyal traders. Cash, if it is crossed means bank account to Goyal traders. Otherwise, we are treating it as a bearer check. Anyone can encash it. So cash accounted to Goyal traders. Okay, cash accounted to Goyal traders. Next, goods given as charity. Goods given as charity. Goods given as charity. So goods given. So credit will be purchase. Entry will be charity accounted to purchase. Charity accounted to purchase. Charity accounted to purchase. Okay. Charity accounted to purchase. Next, rent paid. Rent paid. You know the generally rent accounted to cash account. Rent accounted to cash account. Next, salary paid. Salary account to cash. Salary accounted to cash. Next, machinery purchased for cash. Machinery purchased for cash. What is generally? Yes, machinery account to cash account. Machinery account to cash account. Okay. So, do the ledger. Okay. Journal and ledger. Okay. So, I know that so do the ledger. So then tomorrow we will complete the ledger. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay. Do the ledger. Thank you.